Namaste, myself JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to present the topic Action Research, which is from Pedagogy of Biological Science for the program BSc BR 6 semester. Action research refers to a wide variety of evaluative, investigate, and analytical research methods designed to diagnose problems or weakness, whether organizational, academic, or instruction, help educators develop practical solutions to address them quickly and efficiently. And this action research is a method of systematic inquiry that teachers undertake researchers of their own practice, and the inquiry involved in action research is often a cyclic process. Here are two examples given in next slide. Like you can see in the picture, stages of action research process and the circle of action and reflection process. Now there are some objectives which we take for the action research: to improve the practice going on presently in the school, to remove the motions that educational research in the job specialist only, to make the teachers and school administrator research method. Next, to develop the practitioner the required confidence and ability to carry out research for solving their own problem, to make the students, teachers, and educational administrator more conscious about their problem and their immediate solution, and to make the school or educational personnel more cooperative and democratic in their work. The next objective is that to inculcate the desire and attitude among the school personnel for bringing excellence in their work. The last, as observed, to make the environment of the school more conducive for effective teaching and learning process. Now we have some features and characteristics of action research. Like in first, it observe it is a focused on the immediate problem and their solution in the available resource. It does not concern with the building of theories, broad generalization, and principles. Research aims to improve the practice of work conditions of the people when conduct such research. In next point, we observe as it involves little effort, resources, and fairness in comparison to fundamental or pure researcher. Next, we observe here the person who conducts the research and applies the findings of the research is the one and the same. And next, it includes a sprint as well as a ability of a practitioner to improve their practice. It aims its main aim purpose is to create such healthy and proper condition and environment as to facilitate better teaching as well as better learning for the maximum welfare of the students. So these were some characteristics. Now we move further for the steps of action research. Here are some look into that identify and specific the problem. First we take as second we take as listening of probable cause. Then third step we follow like analysis of the probable cause and foundation of the action hypothesis. In next fifth step we do as action program, and in next five step we take as the evaluation of the action program, and six we follow up and communicating the finding to others. Now here are some advantages of the action research. It makes the teacher, student, and educational administrator researcher and educational administrator research minded. It makes them to improve their work habits and have practical solution to their problems. It makes them to improve the practice being bring. And the next fourth advantages we take as a result of such research findings can be best utilized for improving their world of work and developing them professionally as much as possible. It helps in making the surrounding conditions and environment quite conductive to proper teaching and learning. It helps the teachers, students, and educational personnel to find the new ways, acquire new interests, better motivation, enthusiasm for playing their respective roles. Action research makes the work environment of the school more cooperative and democratic. It helps in broadening the mental horizon and general outlook of the students, teachers, and school personnel and the educational administrator. This action research makes the practitioner to acquire significant confidence to face and solve the day-to-day problems with their own attempts within the available resources. And this also makes the teacher, student, and administrator not only to utilize result of their findings, but also to make use of the result of other findings. Now here are some also limitations for the action research. They are as follows: the teacher or the other practitioner are in fact very poor research. Their finding may lead them in nowhere or in opposite direction, uh, director opposite directions, resulting into great educational loss or aggregation of the educational problems. And this the solution of the educational problems require reasons cooperative effort on the part of students, teachers, and educational authorities. Such cooperation on a true democratic pattern is rarely available in its absence. The research bosses its absence, the research lost its strength as well as validity. So here was the limitations. This completed the action research. I think you are satisfied with my lecture, which is powered by the Jyoti Vidya Women's University. Thank you.